I'm Marliese Steyn. I'm from Johannesburg in South Africa. I'm a Pilates instructor and deep massage therapist. And I'm really enjoying this week so far, and I've really, they are very good instructors, and I'm very pleased about it. Yeah. They teach you quite in a good way. I understood all how they explained all the different techniques and maneuvers, and you train it over and over, day after day after day. You do it over and over until it is like in your head. So all of that, was really good, very good. Yeah. And I love the city. It's absolutely incredible. It's absolutely an amazing city. Yeah, I'm very surprised, and all the architecture is like very fabulous, really beautiful. I haven't been around yet. I'm leaving that for the weekend. So yeah.